Welcome to the product demonstration of high voltage fuse blow indicator through Bluetooth optical isolation. In this product we are using Bluetooth module, PIC microcontroller, buzzer and switch, and also using optocoupler, bridge rectifier, 705 voltage regulator and step down transformer. We are providing the power supply through this power cable. It takes 230 volts of AC power supply and it will be given to this primary of the transformer, and the secondary of the transformer is connected to this bridge rectifier. So the secondary of transformer, it gives 12 volts of AC power supply. That AC power supply will be given to this bridge rectifier input. We know that bridge rectifier will convert AC to DC, and that converted 12 volts will be given to this optocoupler, and also converted 12 volts will be given to this 7805 voltage regulator. And we know that voltage regulator will take 12 volts of DC and it will give a 5 volts of output of DC. So that 5 volts of DC will be given to this PIC microcontroller for the power for this PIC microcontroller and Bluetooth module, buzzer. These components will be get power supplied by this PIC microcontroller board. So you see the demonstration. So we need to go for the Play Store. We need to type serial Bluetooth terminal. Here we can see the app and open this one. After that, on the power supply, now we have to go for the time lagtada. So here we can see it is showing HC05. HC05 is a Bluetooth module name. So now we are pairing this one. So it will be ask password. Password should be 1234. Now it is saved. We need to connect this one in this app. You need to go this one, settings, and choose a devices, and have to connect HC05. Now it is connected. So if I on the switch, so here we can see high voltage fuse blow indicator. After the pairing this one, we need to reset this one. So now we can see it is showing the alert fuse blown. So here we can see we on this switch and it is giving a buzz alert. So we are giving the signal to this PIC microcontroller through this switch. So if we need to control the system, and again off this one and reset again. So after that one, off the switch and reset again, and system will be come to the back position. In this way this product will be works. And also we can see high alert fuse blown also. Thanks for the watching.